In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to box text in Google Docs, a useful skill that can enhance the visual presentation of your documents. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Google Docs. Once the search results load, click on the Google Docs link to direct yourself to this powerful word processing tool. If you're not already signed in, make sure to enter your login credentials. Your Google account ensures that all your documents will be safely stored in the cloud, easily accessible whenever you need them. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, look towards the top menu of Google Docs and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over Drawing and then select Plus New. This action opens up a drawing canvas, providing you with a blank slate where you'll create your text box. In the drawing canvas, direct your attention to the toolbar and locate the text box icon, which looks like a T sitting inside a square. Clicking this will activate the text box tool. To create your text box, click and drag your cursor across the canvas. This draws out the boundaries of your text box. Adjust the size according to how much information you plan to input. Once your box appears on the canvas, it's time to type out your text. Simply click inside the box and begin typing. With the text in place, look at the toolbar above for options to customize your text. Here, you can modify the font, size, and color to better suit the style or theme of your document. Make sure the text is prominently visible, striking the balance between readability and attractiveness. Next, let's add some style to the text box itself. The toolbar offers various options. You can fill the box with a background color using the Fill Color option. Experiment with border color to define the box edges, and adjust border weight if you'd like the borders thicker for emphasis. You'll also find Border Dash to create decorative line patterns, adding a unique touch. After you've polished both the text and the box to your satisfaction, the final step is to click Save and Close in the top right corner of the drawing window. This action inserts the text box into your Google Docs document right at the spot where your cursor was located before you open the drawing canvas. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you now have the skill to box text in Google Docs, adding flair and professionalism to your work. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check our other videos for more handy tips and tricks.